Good morning, guys. Today I am going to Udelco with my friend Lucy, and you guys have definitely seen Lucy before on my channel. As you could see, I'm not ready yet, but I did my eyebrows, like I fixed them, and I put on concealer. I put on concealer already. So I'm gonna finish up my makeup and then probably take my braids out because I put braids in last night after my shower, so my hair would be curly today. All I'm doing for my makeup is just, I think, adding mascara, so I probably could have done that already, but that's fine. Okay, so I finished getting ready. As you can see, my camera battery actually died, or it was like about to die, so I had to charge it for a while, and it's still like really low, so I'm a little nervous for today, but I think it'll be okay. I have my outfit on, and I took out my braids. My hair looks a little crazy, like I'm not used to being this like curly on top kind of, but I think I might just leave it because I kind of like it. And also I feel like there's nothing else I could do unless I pin like pieces back, which I might end up doing, but I think it looks pretty down. So I'll just tell you where my outfit's from because I like doing that. This shirt is just a white shirt that I dyed orange with my dad just the other day actually. And then these jeans are from Hollister, the jeans I always wear. And then I just have these gray socks from Target. And oh yeah, and also my necklace. Oh, okay. And also my necklace, it is from PacSun. It's just cute little daisies. So yes, me and my dad and my sister are gonna pick up Lucy, and oh my gosh, I cough. We're gonna pick up Lucy and go to Udelco. Okay, so Lucy and I went to Udelco again, and I filmed at my house before, and then I just didn't film at Udelco just because like I was so determined to find stuff, and we were very focused. Okay, now we're gonna give you guys a haul because we got a lot of good things, and we got 3 piles of clothes plus a jacket, plus little accessories and a jacket. Yeah, for $100, which is very good, I think, because there's a lot of stuff that we got. There's like a lot of stuff. 30 things. Alright, so the first thing, well, just to preface, I think I've got a little bit of a color scheme today. I got all one color. Okay, so the first thing I got was this crew neck, and it's just like a plain navy crew neck.
Oh, I got a sewing cushion because I thought I want to become a sewing person, and I thought,
oh my gosh, it has needles in it?
And it came with needles.
That's funny.
And I thought, hey, when am I ever gonna get this, like a sewing cushion for practically nothing?
Literally.
And so I also got these like little patches. They're like cute little lips that you can sew on things. So maybe that'll be my first sewing adventure.
The next thing I got were these 80s trousers. They're like just drawstring, and they're very high-waisted, extremely high-waisted. And they have that balloon like style on top.
They're kind of harem pants, but not fully.
And they actually are like from the 80s because we got them from the 80s bin, because there's like in Udelco there's a lot of different bins. They're like 70s this, 80s that, 90s this. So yeah, these are actually from the 80s, which is pretty cool, and they're very cute. So
I got this silk floral scarf. I don't wear scarves. I got it for my hair. So
the next thing I got was this crew neck, and it's just a high neck crew neck, hot pink, and it's really pretty and it's cute, and it's like 80s style.
It's awesome.
Cool.
I got this 50s style green pleated circle skirt. So it's just classic 50s, and it's very nice, and I like it. It is from the Algene Canada brand, so it's Canadian. So
that's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty funky.
I got these sweatpants just because I needed sweatpants. I actually don't have any sweatpants, so I found these and I was like, perfect sweatpants. Yeah.
I got this sweatshirt. It says Disneyland Resort Est 1955, and I really liked it because I like Disneyland. And I also like things that say like 1955 because I think that's a cool year. And it's pink, and it's a sweatshirt, and it's comfortable, and it's amazing. I love it so much. Cute.
The last thing I got was a crew neck, another crew neck. And it's just St. Louis. I like the font. It's really cool, I think. And then it has a little billiken on the bottom. I'm gonna show you this billiken. It's very cute.
I'm looking up.
It's like this rat thing. I like it. It makes me laugh.
I got this really fun, funky skirt. It's a pencil skirt. What do you call this pattern?
Oh, I don't know. It's like the ones that look like mini. Great way to describe it. It's like the pattern that looks like that game.
Yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean. So I got.
Wait, I'm gonna show them. There you go. That's the pattern.
And then the last thing I got was this funky blue peasant blouse. It has cool detailing on the collar. And that's it. That was our haul.
That's our haul. There will be another haul coming soon because we are going to the city. I'm just laying back. We're going to the city on Friday, so this vlog is going to continue, and we're going to show you guys the stores that we go to and what we get. Yeah! Bye! See you Friday! Good morning, guys. As you know, Lucy and I are going thrift shopping today in New York City, and I'm really excited because I have been to a thrift store in New York City, but they were all like the ones that were like not really thrift stores, kind of like bougie ones. I don't know if you would say that, but like they're like fancy ones that were normal prices, as if they were like normal clothes and not like thrifted clothes. So I'm really excited because today we're going to actual thrift stores where it's like hopefully cheaper clothes. I actually found the thrift stores that we're going to on TikTok. So hopefully they're good because they seemed good in the videos. But I'm really excited, and yeah, I love thrift shopping and Lucy does too, so I'm excited. It's 9:19 right now, but we're leaving at 10:15, or I'm getting picked up at 10:15. I originally thought I was getting picked up at 9:30, so I woke up at 7:30. But the time changed, which is fine because now I have time to edit my video, and I'm just trying to turn on my computer now because I want to start editing. It's a video with Julia, and it's actually already up by now by the time you're watching this. So go watch my last video because it's a fun one and it's funny, I think, and it's Julia, so of course it's a good video. I will update you guys once I actually have my outfit on because right now I'm just wearing my PJs because the outfit I'm wearing is actually in the wash and it's drying right now, but I will show you guys later. Okay, so I'm about to leave, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing this St. Louis crew neck, and I got this from the thrift store yesterday or 2 days ago from Udelco. This was in my little haul that I showed you guys at the end of like a few clips ago. And then I'm just wearing these jeans from American Eagle, and then I'm just wearing this turtleneck from Romley, I think, or it's Shein, one of those. And then I'm also just wearing these little frill socks from Romley or Shein as well. I think it's Romley though. But yeah, I'm about to go, and I'll see you guys when I'm with Lucy. Okay, my room's kind of messy, so don't mind that, but I want to show you guys what I got from the thrift store. I filmed a few clips at each of the stores. The first store, I didn't find anything, but the second store, you guys saw me try some things on, and I'm going to show you of those things what I got. So the first thing I got was this denim jacket, and it's kind of oversized, not kind of, it's pretty oversized on me. but I wanted a nice denim jacket and I thought this would be cute, and this was $25, so not bad for a nice denim jacket. And the brand is, if you're wondering, it's Bella Blast jeans. Never heard of it, but it feels like nice quality, so I'm excited about that. And then I picked up this bubblegum pink jacket. It looks like a rain jacket, but it's not. It's like the material of like a members only jacket almost, kind of, I don't know, but it looks like this, and it's just really cute, and it's light, and I feel like it'll be nice for spring, and that was $15. Next, I got this brand new sweatshirt with tags, and it's really cute. It says class of 2000, and I think it's from a school because it says C2, or maybe not. I don't really know, but it's really cute, and it's really soft on the inside, and like I said, it's brand new, and it was only $8, and I'm really excited about this. Lastly, probably the thing I'm most excited for are these white mom jean kind of jeans. They are so cute, and it's the perfect shade of white. It's not too bright. Like, I have these white skinny jeans that are so bright of a white, it looks like unnatural, but these are just so natural and nice, and they fit perfectly. But they are a bit long, so I might cut the bottom of them to make them a little bit shorter because I like kind of cropped jeans. But they're really cute, and I'm so excited about them. And they were $20, a little on the expensive side for a thrift store, but I don't know like where else I could find some nice white mom jeans for that cheap if I was buying them new, and they're basically like new, so I don't know. I was really excited about that, and that's all I got, but I'm really excited about everything I got, and I'm kind of far away from the camera. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it was kind of boring, but I hope you liked seeing what we got from the thrift store, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!